The growing for mechanical keyboards shows how people value tools that blend performance, durability, and ergonomics. Just like choosing the right laundry basket, typists and gamers look for switch type, build quality, layout, and value. Similarly, smart laundry solutions require sturdy materials, easy portability, capacity. List a number. Wheeled plastic laundry hamper. Adult-sized white rolling basket. The wheeled plastic laundry hamper is perfect for those who want to save their back and arms. Featuring a sturdy build and smooth rolling wheels, it allows you to effortlessly transport heavy loads of laundry without lifting. The adult-sized design provides ample capacity to hold clothes for an entire family or multiple loads at once. Its white color is neutral and fits well into most laundry rooms or bedrooms. The hamper also has a ventilated design that keeps clothes fresh by allowing airflow. Users love how easy it is to maneuver. List number. Sterilite Ultra Easy Carry Laundry Hamper. Comfort handles to easily carry clothes between the bedroom and laundry room. Plastic, white, 4-pack. The Sterilite Ultra Easy Carry Laundry Hamper 4-pack offers a highly practical and affordable solution for managing laundry in multi-person households. Each hamper comes with comfort grip handles, making it easy to carry clothes from your bedroom to the laundry room, even when full. The plastic construction is lightweight yet durable, and the well-ventilated design prevents odors by allowing air circulation. List number. Sammart 42L 11-gallon collapsible plastic laundry basket, foldable pop-up storage container. The Sammart collapsible plastic laundry basket is perfect for those short on space. With a 42L 11-gallon capacity, it offers ample room for laundry, but collapses flat when not in use, saving valuable storage space. The pop-up design is intuitive and quick to set up or fold down, making it ideal for small apartments, dorms, or even RVs. Made of sturdy yet flexible plastic, it maintains its shape while carrying heavy loads. Users love how easy it is to tuck away under a bed, in a closet, or behind a door when not needed. List number 4. Sterilite 6-pack Ultra Hip Hold Laundry Basket. 1.25 bushel capacity. White, contoured plastic clothes hamper. The Sterilite Ultra Hip Hold Laundry Basket 6-pack is designed with ergonomic convenience in mind. Its contoured shape hugs your hip, making it easier and more comfortable to carry even when full. The 1.25 bushel capacity provides plenty of space for daily laundry, and the ventilated sides help prevent mildew and odors. The sturdy plastic build ensures durability, and the large handles are easy to grip without pinching your fingers. Users particularly love the hip-friendly shape, which allows for hands-free carrying when juggling other tasks. List 5. Gracious Living Laundry Basket Easy Carry Flex Collapsible Hamper, 87.5 liters, white, large plastic clothes storage organizer for home. The Gracious Living Laundry Basket is a large capacity, flexible, and collapsible option for serious laundry needs. With an impressive 87.5-liter capacity, it's ideal for big families or heavy laundry days. The flexible plastic material makes it easy to carry, while its collapsible design means it won't take up unnecessary space when not in use. The neutral white color and modern design fits seamlessly into any home,